Oh my god, cute. Vintage Tommy. Oh, we're on the wrong sides. That's okay. Hi guys. Hey. This is Kelsey. And this is Becky. Today we're gonna do another fun thrifting challenge. So we were thinking back onto like grade school years and we thought it could be fun to try and recreate some of our iconic looks from like first day of school or like grade time outfits. Grade school looks. So I asked my mom to go find some and we fished up these two beautiful ones from when I was 6 and when I was 8. When are yours?
2000 and 2001, so math. 8 and
9. Yeah. These are old enough to be like, you know, it's time for an update on them.
Yeah, but also I was thinking about this 90s is back in, so it's kind of like, well, 2000s, but whatever. That era is like back in, so it's kind of like,
Yeah. So we're gonna take these photos with us to the thrift store and ideally only do one of them, but I'm gonna use them both for inspo, see what we can find. And at the same time, try and modernize it a bit, like take this idea and then do something that I would actually wear if I'm going back to school today.
Yeah, that's true.
All right.
I'm not going back to school though.
No.
Hashtag graduated. Hashtag been there, done that. All right, let's go to thrift store.
Okay.
Wait, stop it. We accidentally came to the thrift store on Senior's Day. If there's one rule about thrifting, it's don't come on Senior's Day unless you're actually a senior. It's just very busy and we had to fight for a cart. No seniors were harmed in the getting of a cart though. All right, we're gonna start here because both of my outfits, I'm wearing pants. Although these are not cute, I would need to find an alternative. This is overalls. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, no. Found a couple overalls, but they're all jean ones, and I feel like that's not the vibe, so I think I'm gonna lean toward this look. And at the vests here, and I wasn't gonna do a literal take on like the red vest. I was hoping to do it in a different way, but just for the record, no red vests here. These are comfy. They're super cute, but they're super itchy because they're real wool.
First up, really, it's gonna be to go look at jackets to try and find like a bomber jacket for that one outfit, because if I can't find that outfit's kind of donezo. So I'm gonna head there first and that'll determine things. I mean, this is just cool on its own. Well, if we want to go for the purple fleece look, I think I found it, but not quite something I would wear now. Okay, no luck with bomber jackets, really. There's nothing that good. So I might try and move on to the second outfit and see what I can do. I'm wearing a denim skirt, which I could look in denim skirts too, or I could do like a short option that was kind of oversized. So, I'll look at both those things. Found lots of potentially really good jean options or jean short options, which if I'm being honest with myself, that's more likely what I would wear anyways than a denim skirt, so I'm gonna try those on. But if I'm going with that outfit, I need to find an oversized sweater, so I'm gonna look for that. This would literally be a dress on me, but it's like the only crew neck sweater I can find so far. This is crazy. All right, this is pretty grandpa, but pretty cool. I mean, it's not the same color and it's not a pullover sweater, but like this is awesome. Okay, so this was amazing because it looks like a skirt, but it's shorts, which could actually work really well because my outfit actually was with a skirt. Okay, these could be great for this look because they're ultra high-waisted. Like, take a look at this. My jacket's unbuttoned, like almost all the way, and the jeans are still going. What was going on here? But yeah, this could work.
So like, I could do the pants, but it's just kind of boring. So I'm now going to be looking at dresses and maybe like a red shirt to go underneath it, although it's black underneath. I can mix it up, right? That's fine. Whose rules are these anyways? Look what I just found anyways. We'll get both. Okay, I'm done. I can go home now. I found it. Done. Okay, I think I just need one more thing to bring this outfit together. But it all kind of relies on this one thing. Ooh, this is what I was looking for. Okay, so I've decided I'm either gonna do a red dress with black layers or a black dress with red layers. So, red options. I don't think so. It's a look. I never wear red and black together. It's just not the vibe. All right, here's a black dress.
Alright, these are similar to bowling shoes, but these are cuter. So...
This whole thing is seriously a lot harder than I thought it would be. It's fine. Do you have some good stuff, Becky?
Mm-hmm.
Can't wait to see it.
No spoilers. This is the entire outfit.
Oh, true. I know. Mine is like pretty much just simple. So we're back in the thrift store, and this dress was pretty expensive. I got this dress. It was $10.50, which is pretty expensive because it's like a basic dress, not like fancy by any means. But it's because it has the tag on it and it's new, and the tag says $30.
Oh, annoying.
So the thrift store is always like, oh, it's new and it retails for $30. Well, we're gonna put a high price tag on it. No. Not fair. I also got this turtleneck. Man, I'm so lucky I found this. And this was $7.99. A fair price, I guess. And then I had like 4 options of buckle booties, but I chose these because they were in the nicest condition. And they are $9.
Okay, so I was looking at the outfit that had the bomber jacket, but it was just like there was too many unknown pieces, so we didn't do that one. This one I'm gonna do is the one where I'm in the bowling alley. And I found this, it's a skirt, but it also is kind of like shorts a little bit.
I love it.
It's actually really comfortable and really high-waisted and beautiful.
So cute.
And it was $7.99, so $8. And these are in Canadian prices, by the way.
True.
I saw someone comment on the last video and they were like, why do you list things in US prices? And I was like, I didn't respond, so I'm gonna respond now.
Well, in my head. Well.
Yeah, a lot of our audience is actually from America or the US, so I know that we're from Canada, but most of our viewers are from the US, so it just makes sense.
We bounce back and forth. And just on a DIY note, we use Imperial because if you ever try to go to the hardware store and buy lumber or anything, it's all Imperial. It's all inches and feet and stuff like that. So that's why we do that. If you're building, you kind of have to use Imperial.
Yeah.
Anyways.
So I was looking for an oversized like crew neck sweater and there was none in women's, which was crazy. So I had to go to men's and they were all huge and not yellow. So I just settled for anything oversized and I found this shirt, which is like this really nice red burgundy corduroy, and it's like a, oh, it's just like a nice shirt. It might be men's, but maybe it was in the women's section. Yeah, women's.
Yeah.
And then for shoes, it was hard because in the picture I was wearing bowling alley shoes. Probably wasn't part of the outfit of the day.
Right.
In real life. So I went to shoes and actually found these, the ones that you guys saw earlier that looked like bowling shoes, but they weren't that cute. So instead I found these ones that are just like chunky, big white sneaks.
That's probably what you were wearing before you took off your bowling shoes.
Let's be honest. So I got these and these were $12.99. Did I say how much this shirt was? Oh, it was only $3.99. Yeah, I know, right? Like this could have easily been $13.99.
Dude, I just don't understand the pricing. All right, so
normally we just model them here, but because this is a challenge, I think it'd be fun to try and do them in like the same areas or type of areas and then do like a photo in the same pose, doing the same thing, like full on recreating childhood photo.
oh my gosh. Well, I just have to go home, back to my parents' house.
And I have to find a bowling alley that won't kick me out for taking pictures in it. So wish us luck. Honey, I'm home.
Oh, it's open. Hello? I also added these little socks to my outfit because I thought they'd be cute. Like here? Because it's recording right now?
It's not is it?
Yeah. Little red light on, Dad?
Who turned that on?
I turned it on.
I mean, right now your boots are just out of frame.
Just out of frame?
I
Dad,
gotta-
OOTD, you gotta get the whole thing. Oh look, the sun's coming out, that's good. I was sunny in the shot and I was like squinting. Do you remember? I would have to close my eyes.
Yes,
and
I
then you'd be
guess.
like 1, 2, 3, and I'd be like,
Yes.
I still do that.
I think that's it, right about there.
So we were like out trying to find a bowling alley that would let us take pictures. Oh, it was like a storage room. Maybe if we just angle it that way, you can't really tell.
Yeah, I feel like if we make the background better.
It's just a curtain, right?
That's just a curtain. Can I go and close
Just
it?
run and do it. Just do it.
Yeah?
Yeah, just do it. They're not even
making me do it.
Do it. Just do it. Just do it. We don't want that ugly storage closet in our thing, so I'm trying to close the curtain. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna be quick and do this. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that challenge. It was certainly a challenge.
It was fun. Well, I like anything that I just get to go thrift shopping.
It was really, really, really fun. If there's any more like thrift type challenges that you've seen going around YouTube that you think we should try, let me know.
Yeah, we've done like picking date night outfits from the thrift store. We did recreating Urban Outfitters outfits from the thrift store. I want to do that again.
That was fun.
But yeah, let us know. There's another one.
Yeah.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like.
If you love it, make sure you sub it.
I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.